Those of you putting perfume, Jesus said you should stop putting perfume on your body. On the last day in Isaiah 3 verse 24, he said instead of sweet smell.
Man don come out to say one can tell us wetin Jesus talk o. Say make we not dey spray perfume for body again. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, me you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news wey dey come out for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, one woman don come out say perfume wey dem dey spray for body say e no good. Say God don talk am say make we no dey spray perfume for body again. Say because if you because of that perfume you fit go fire. And there I come say you mean na this woman doesn't mean say you don first before wey you come know say God no dey gree make people wey don people wey don spray perfume for body say na fire na there dey go. Nothing wey Musa no go see for gate o. Nothing wey person no go see for this social media. This woman don talk so many things. So she talk say God don talk am say make we no dey spray perfume for body at all. Say perfume e no good. Say because anybody wey spray perfume say na fire na e dey go. So then me come say how this woman come take know this thing? She don first before. You know say many people wey we dey see for this world now, some are just working course. Because me I don't know where this woman for hear this kind of thing now. When she come talk and now say God say make we not dey spray perfume for body. He said because he said na see for where God dey, and God already fair talk am say make we not dey do am. So the question wey me want make una help me ask this woman now be say how she say no? She don first go air fire before when she come know say na perfume na e carry some people come go air fire. Nothing wey person not go see for this social media. Oh, if some people don depressed for inside house, they don't know wetin they want do again. They'll begin to talk anyhow. They'll begin to talk wetin they not even send them. Make them talk. This woman, the way me say look her, she be like who he head not correct. She be like who craze not who craze not the score one star. So where is there for Bible where God say we will not spray perfume? Where is there for Bible? If una don old, una not see husband again, now we come begin they talk anything we una like. This woman was serious when they talk am. He said God say no, may we not dey do all those perfume things again. Say perfume not good. Perfume they very bad. He say if you because of perfume you can even go to air fire. Now there I constructalize. Say who don't fair go ever or go air fire before we can't know say God not go gree for all those things. Nothing when Musa not go see for ghetto. If una just wake up in the morning now say what una will do now? More na begin they carry fear. They put for people body. My darling people by correct people. More na see me talk for this matter. This video when me I see today shockalize me like The woman was serious when she was saying it. She said God don't talk and say may we stop to do all those things. May we not spray perfume again. Say perfume they very bad. Perfume not good. Perfume they very bad. He said if we spray perfume, we can go to air fire because of the odor when they come out of person's body. He said the odor, if God just hear her like this, he could just direct you to air fire because perfume na sin. I say very soon now, he can't tell us say cloth where would they wear now say na sin. Very soon. That's what I can't tell us. So they'll say clothes wey we dey wear say na sin o. Oh, to root dog beke o, my darling people. This one I talk so many things for this video. I go still put the video more than listing because this one they shockalize me like say God say we will not spray perfume for body. And now be the rainy style now. I say make I can't tell you now. My husband get people more than I can't hear Tory. This one a Tory, oh Tory. Hey, if Scott don't dey worry una not go stay inside house, una not go enter house. Una not go enter house. Wey be say una go just wake up in the morning una say wetin una wan do now. Na to come dey fool una sef for social media. Na to come dey talk wetin God not talk for social media. Una go just wake up. Una no go know wetin una wan do again. Una head no go correct again. Una go begin dey talk anyhow. Begin dey talk wetin God not talk. Now wow, this our God in a very patient God wey be say very very patient. Wey go tell you go just say make you live una whether una go change, whether una go use una okanuche. Still yet una no go use. How can somebody go just wake up in the morning come carry big lie put for our God head? I know say una no know God wey una dey call because our own God wey me I know no go talk that kind thing. And the woman show me where e dey for Bible, where God for talk say make we not dey use perfume again. Una remember one man wey still come and one certain time say God don talk say make we not declare our husband if we want jogodo with them. Say na sin too. And so that man still talk. Say make we not dey jogodo with our husband, make we not dey climb them. Say climb your husband, all those dogging style, he say na sin. And all those style self na some kind evil sweet pass, you know. But this man talk and say na sin, no. Say God say na sin. Me no know where they see God where they talk to. Me, I don't know. The thing they shockalize me sometimes. My ogbonge people. Now the matter where they grant, that be this one. This thing shockalize me like seriously. Now I say, make I come share am with my ogbonge people. Make they say yeah, matter. Make they come hear Tory. Now wow, I go put the video more on listing my ogbonge people. I go put the video. I'm gonna help me share the video too. Make the video go viral. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye. Please share the video. Always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video and leave your comments according to the topic. Bye.
Those of you putting perfume, Jesus said you should stop putting perfume on your body. On the last day in Isaiah 3 verse 24, he said instead of sweet smell, you will be burning and you'll be stinking. You'll be smelling like gutter.